Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're talking about day trading, but more specifically, we're talking about gap trading and how gap trading is by far the single most consistent and profitable day trading strategy you can find across the markets today. Gap trading is where stocks that are gapping higher or lower at the open from the prior trading day's close create an opportunity for traders, an opportunity where traders that can identify a specific price level where stocks should have a price reaction in the other direction. These are price levels where stocks will A, be drawn to, and B, have a price reaction from in the other direction. You can see what's on the screen here, IGT. We're going to get deeper into this in a minute, but first I want to explain what I do. I teach a course where I teach traders that want to learn everything they need to know how to trade the gaps successfully. I teach how to calculate these specific price levels on stocks that are gapping higher or lower at the open each and every day. I teach which stocks it works the best with, what are the criteria, how to calculate the levels, what kind of volume are we looking for, how to trade them properly. Everything you need to know is found in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. The other thing I do is I give traders an opportunity to get my gap trades each and every day sent to them in an email at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the market even opens for trading. Here's the exact copy of today's email. As you can see, it was sent at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. What we have today on the board was 3 potential gap trades. These were stocks that were gapping higher or lower in the pre-market. We're only interested in trading a stock that comes into the specific level that we calculate. Today, one of these came into its level and it was International Game Tech, IGT. I say gap lower. Support levels are $17.38 and $14.93 if the stock was to trade lower. Stop and profit target is about 15 to 25 cents. This is a minimum profit target as explained in the course. The other thing that's found in this email, which is the second part of the course, where I teach a gap fill strategy. So there's 2 strategies taught in the course: the morning gap trades and gap fill trades. The gap fill trades, I give a laundry list each and every day of potential gap fill trades. These are stocks that at one point in the past gapped higher or lower, and they leave what's called an open gap. Stocks will come back to fill their open gaps, which creates another trading opportunity. This morning, so far, INCY came back to fill its gap. The gap fill level was $139.66. It's listed as a short trade because the stock was coming back up to fill its gap. And we're going to take a look at this chart in a minute as well. Let's check out IGT. Now, as you can see with IGT, the stock closed yesterday at $21.01. The stock opened today at $19.60 and continued lower, fast and furious. The stock was getting creamed, and we were able to identify a specific price level where the stock should first be drawn to and then have a price reaction from in the other direction. That number was $17.38, the same number you saw in the email that went out to my subscribers just a minute ago. And as you can see, the stock came into the level, made a low of $17.25 within the stop loss limitation. And what happened? Just minutes later, the stock was trading at a high of $18.55 for more than a 6% gain within the hour. Folks, this is a wonderful opportunity to learn a strategy that you can use each and every day for the rest of your trading career. This stock is also making a bullish consolidation pattern, which means that it has potential to trade even higher today. In my course, I teach traders how to take advantage of trades like this by using a strategy that I teach where they can turn a trade like this into a risk-free, emotionless trade, getting as much as they can out of the trade during the trading day. The next trade you'll remember from the gap fill list was INCY. $139.66 was listed as the gap fill level where the stock should find resistance and have a pullback from, and as you can see, that's exactly what happened. This trade is still active. It should trade lower. We're in the money by about 60 cents thus far. And at this point, traders would have a break-even stop and let it go, see how much we can get out of the trade. It's a trade where you can't lose anything if you put a break-even stop. Each and every strategy that you've seen and heard me talk about in this video is taught in my course at Lazy Gap Trader, and a whole lot more. I can teach you everything you need to know in order to trade the gaps successfully. This is something you can use each and every day to your advantage for the rest of your trading career. I'm David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Thanks for tuning in, traders.